Hi, hello everybody. This is Link of Dusk I Can Rock with a brand new series. I was doing Let's Plays, and this is a series called What the Freak Did I Just Bought? Anyways, I'm gonna reveal this. What is inside of this box? It's a Waffle Donald Amiibo. I don't even have Smash Ultimate. I don't even have a Switch. I don't even know why I bought this. He looks cool. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I love Wolf's look. Like in Smash Ultimate. Camera, can you please focus? He's just pretty awesome. Okay, time to box him. It's like, but Link, don't unbox the Amiibo, you lose their value. I don't care about value. All I care about is just collecting the darn things. I'm not like Lamar Wilson that can open Amiibos just like boom, 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 boom. You see how fast he... Ow, my finger. See how fast that he opens them? Oh. Oh dang. Oh. Wow, I suck at opening these. Come on. Unleash the beast. Unleash the beast. There he is. Camera, can you please focus? Wow, he looks awesome. Look at that detail. These Amiibos are just incredible. Look at that. Could let you do that, Star Fox. It's pretty awesome. I like his armor, it's pretty cool. Oh, I just dropped him. There you have it. I just unboxed a freaking Wolf Amiibo. It's like, but Link, why did you buy a freaking Amiibo that you don't freaking got the game for? And I'm like, just collect them. I got 8 other ones over here. These guys have not been unboxed. See, I got Mega Man, I got Rob, I got Mr. Game & Watch, I got Tom Nook, Wolf Link, Rossetti, Kirby. Is that all? I thought I had 8. Oh, Rossetti, Wolf Link, Kirby, Tom Nook, Duck Hunt, Mega Man, Mr. Game Watch, and Rob. And now Wolf's here. Look at him, he's so handsome. I love him. I love this guy. Pretty much so edgy. Get this darn things. Look at him. Soon enough I'll get a Switch. And he'll be useful. It's like, okie dokie. Anyways, got to let you do that stuff, folks. And we'll see you guys next time. Jam blah blah, everybody. Wow! Yeah, that kid robot Ice Man right over there.